ATM is a telecommunication standard for carries of user traffic, including telephony, data, and voice signal. It was designed for network to handle both traditional high throughput data traffic and real time low latency content such as voice and video. The ATM network reference model maps three lowest layers: physical layer, data link layer, and network layer. These are layers of OSI model. These are layers of OSI model. ATM is a core protocol used in SONET SDS backbone of the public switch telephone network and in the integrated service digital network. These are three different network belongs to OSI model. First one physical layer, or second one is data link layer, or third one is network layer. So ATM uses asynchronous time division multiplexing and encoded data into a small fixed site packet. The frame size is 53 bytes length, and these are called cells. Now discuss protocol architecture. Protocol architecture is made up of different layers: physical layer, ATM layer, ATM adoption layer, higher layer, control panel, user panel, and magnetic management plan. User plan provides user information flow transfer along with associated control. Control plan performs the call, control, and connection control function. It deals with the signaling necessary to set up, supervise, and release call and connection. Management plan provides two type of functions: layer management and plan management functions. Higher layer performs convergence sublayer, segmentation, and reassembly sublayer, AAL, ATM, transmission conversion, and beat timing. Physical layer describes the physical transmission media. We can slided twisted pair, coaxial cable, and fiber optics. This is ATM protocol architecture. ATM layer performs all functions relating to the routing and multiplexing of cell cover VCs. It generates a header to the segment stream generated by the AAL. ATM adoption layer converts the submitted information into a stream of 4 segments and transport these in the payload field of multiple ATM cells. Cell structure is classified into two types: UNI. UNI means user network interface. Second one is NNI, network interface. There are three service types: AAL1, AAL2 through AAL4, then AAL5. This one is used for constant bit rate CBR, service and circuit emulation. Synchronization is also maintained in this layer. There are used for variable bit rate services, or last one is used for data. Virtual circuit is connect two parties can send cells to endpoints. It can be classified into PVC, permanent virtual circuit, and switched virtual circuit, SVC. The some functions are motivation. ATM operates side channel based transport layer using this one, and routing use the private network node interface or private network to network interface. In the traffic policing, ATM traffic contracts from part of the mechanism by the quality of service. There are four basic types: CBR, VBR, UBR and ABR. ATM can build various circuits and virtual path either statically or dynamically. Traffic usually take place in the network interface card in user equipment. Adaptation layer defines how to segment higher layer packets into cells and the reassembly of these packets. Some examples are Gigabit Ethernet, IP, frame relay, etc. The main services provided by the AL are segmentation, reassembly, handling of transmission error, handling of lost and miss in inserted cell condition, timing and flow control. They are classified into AL type 0. It also referred as raw cells, consist of 48 bytes of payload. AAL type 1 support CBR, synchronous connection oriented traffic. Example is T1, E1, etc. AAL type 2 support time dependent variable bit rate of connection oriented synchronous traffic, etc. AAL type 3.4 support VBR, data traffic, connection oriented, etc. Example is frame relay and X.25. AAL type 5 is similar to the previous this one with a simplified information header scheme. Example is classic IP over ATM, Ether over ATM. These are architecture of the AAL layer. There are four classes: class A, class B, class C and class D. These are layers. This one AAL layer, this is ATM layer, this one physical layer. Physical layer is lowest layer. There are sub layers. SS, SC sub layer provides additional function and mechanism. The CPCS operates on the complete AL framework. This one CPSS. The segment and assembly layer convert the CPSS frame to and from ATM cell payload information. These are references. Thank you.